Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for July 7th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw a bit of a mixed picture today. The Dow was down 22 points. The S&P was down just barely 2 points, and the NASDAQ was up 17. So a very quiet day overall. A bit of a mixed picture, though. Really, we should expect to see a lot more of this as equities battle this zone of congestion here. And the only real way to handle this is to look at some individual stocks here rather than the overall indices. And one that I believe is ripe for the picking here very soon is actually American Express, AXP. If you just look at this, after making a very decent attempt to bounce back, it has now rolled over and just looks poised to move back to these lows near 50. Now we do have earnings coming up in just a few days on the 20th, but even if you look here at the higher time frames, look at the weekly, and although there is some momentum higher there, you can see that it is really just falling apart slowly but surely, and the monthly chart as well. Nice attempt at a pullback here with this 3-month rally, but now the last month and a half is just starting to roll over again. So not only is 50 in the cards, I think we could go much lower on AXP, that's certainly one that would lead the pack here. I think if this makes a run towards 50, a lot of others will follow. So this is just a matter of patience here, waiting for a bit more of a pullback here and then some type of reversal signal. But AXP certainly looks poised for that drop. Very small moves in everything else that we normally follow. The yen did put in fresh new highs, but pulled back by the end of the session. Bonds down a penny, not a whole lot. Gold down 6 points here, but you can see was lower and recovered. That still looks very strong on the weekly chart for sure. And crude took it on the chin today, down over 2 points. Now remember, be careful with that open tomorrow. With those employment numbers out due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we could see a bit of a crazy opening tomorrow. So be careful around the open. Remember, start taking a closer look at individual stocks here on out. I think we're going to be in a bit of a sideways pattern with the indices. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.